Or is it telephone poles? I'm not really sure. New York City Transit. Huh? No, it's not. They're not your dogs?
Where were you from?
Are they lost?
Oh, I see four over here.
Okay.
I don't know.
Hi. I'm just
Hey, little, hey, come here.
yeah, don't hi. I don't want you to get lost.
I know. I'm so nervous.
I'm nervous too. Hello. Uh-oh. And it's so cold too. There's nobody in there? Yeah. Yeah, the Pomeranian. Will they come by themselves? Go, come on. Let's go. Let's go. I was just walking by making a video and they let's go. Come on. Let's go. I'm glad we got you home. Yeah, I was making a video of Floral Park and then I saw. Well, I'm glad.
Come on, silly.
Okay.
Silly. Come on, go in the house.
All right.
Go ahead.
No. Come on. Let's go. Uh-oh, no. No. I'm just gonna pick you up. Can I pick her up?
No, Spot.
Come on, Spot. I don't want to chase her because I don't want her to run into the traffic. Spot. Hi, Spot. I know, the owner's not doing the right thing. Okay, PP.
All right, listen, Spot. I'm going to have to pick you up if you don't stop.
Yeah,
Come here.
I got her.
Hi. If you bite me, I'm going to have a fit.
Oh, good.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
All right. Yeah, we both did it.
Yes.
I try to block her pass and not go past me, but she got around me anyway. I know.
Thank you.
I would have ran after her. And
I know. But and you're right, because they'll just run anyway.
yeah. Okay.
All right.
Whew. All right, my heart is calmed down now. Okay. Whew. All right, good. All right. Have a good day. Take care. Whew. Wow. That was scary.
It was, but you know what? We did something good for
Yeah, we
somebody.
did. That's right.
There you go. Always
And
nice
I
to
got
do
it on
something-
video.
It's nice to do something good.
Yep. You too.